If you're over 50 and your legs feel weaker than they used to, if stairs feel harder, if getting up from the couch takes a little extra effort, this video is for you. Here's the thing most people don't realize. It's not just getting older. Very often, it's weak glutes. And weak glutes quietly affect everything: your balance, your back, your knees, even how safely you walk. The good news? You don't need complicated workouts or a gym membership. Just 2 simple exercises can make a huge difference. Let me show you how. Welcome back, my friend. Today, we're talking about something that doesn't get enough attention, especially for adults over 50, your glutes. In plain English, your butt muscles. Now, I know that might sound funny or unimportant, but these are actually the strongest muscles in your whole body. They're your foundation. They help you stand, walk, climb stairs, lift groceries, and stay steady so you don't fall. When they get weak, which happens naturally as we age and sit more, everything else starts working harder. Your lower back aches, your knees complain, your balance feels shaky. But here's the encouraging part. You can wake those muscles back up at any age. I've seen people in their 60s, 70s, even 80s get stronger in just a few weeks with the right movements. Today, I'm going to walk you through 2 essential exercises that are safe, simple, and incredibly effective. No fancy equipment, no jumping, no stress on your joints. Just steady, practical movements that fit into real life. We'll also talk about why these exercises matter, how to do them correctly, and how to make them part of your daily routine. Take a breath, get comfortable, and let's break it down together. Let's start with something most people over 50 don't realize. As we age, our glutes sort of go to sleep. Years of sitting in the car, on the couch, and a desk teach those muscles to stop working. Other muscles try to take over, especially your lower back and your thighs. That's when pain and stiffness creep in. Think of it like this. If you stop using a flashlight for years, the battery dies. But the flashlight isn't broken. It just needs power again. Your glutes are the same. They just need to be switched back on. And that's exactly what these 2 exercises do. First, let's talk about why stronger glutes matter so much after 50. Imagine Margaret, 67 years old. Every time she stood up from her favorite chair, she had to rock forward and push hard with her arms. Her knees hurt going downstairs. She felt unsteady stepping off curbs. She thought, well, this is just aging. But after a few weeks of glute exercises, something changed. She stood up easier, walked longer, felt steadier. Nothing magical happened. Her muscles simply started doing their job again. That's what we want for you. More independence, less effort, more confidence. Now, let's move into the first essential exercise. This one is gentle, beginner-friendly, and perfect if you haven't exercised in a while. It's called the glute bridge. Don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. You'll be lying on your back, usually on a carpet or a yoga mat, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. From there, you slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeeze your glutes, then lower back down. That's it. But here's why this move is so powerful. When you lift your hips, your glutes have to fire. They have to work. You're teaching those muscles to wake up again. It strengthens your hips, supports your lower back, and improves how you walk. It's also very low impact, no stress on the knees. If you've ever had knee pain, you'll appreciate that. Picture yourself doing this in the living room while watching TV, maybe during commercials. 10 slow lifts, rest. 10 more. Nothing intense, just steady. Focus on squeezing your butt at the top for 2 seconds. Really feel it. That squeeze is where the magic happens. If lifting high feels hard at first, that's okay. Lift just a little. Progress comes quickly. I've seen people double their strength in a few weeks. Here's something important. Slow is better than fast. We're not racing, we're training. Slow movements protect your joints and build real strength. So lift, pause, lower. Breathe naturally, nice and calm. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Strong glutes also protect your back. When glutes are weak, your lower back takes over every time you stand or bend. That's why so many people feel tight or sore there. By strengthening your glutes with bridges, you take pressure off your back. It's like sharing the workload, and your back will thank you for it. Let's talk about making this exercise part of daily life. You don't need a strict workout plan. Attach it to something you already do. After brushing your teeth in the morning, before bed, during your favorite show. Consistency beats intensity every time. 5 minutes daily is better than one long workout once a week. Now let's move to the second essential exercise. This one might surprise you. It's something you already do every day. It's the sit to stand. In simple terms, standing up from a chair. But we're going to turn it into a strength exercise because standing up is one of the most important movements for independence. If you can stand up easily, you can live independently longer. If standing gets hard, everything gets harder. So here's how we do it intentionally. Sit in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, lean forward slightly, press through your heels, stand up tall. Then slowly sit back down with control. No plopping down, slow and steady. That lowering part builds strength too. This movement targets your glutes, thighs, and core all at once. It mimics real life perfectly. Think about it. Every day you get up from the couch, the car, the dining chair, so instead of avoiding it, we practice it, and we get stronger at it. I once worked with a gentleman named Tom, 72. He used to use both hands and push hard on the armrests just to stand. After practicing sit-to-stands for a month, he didn't need his hands anymore. He told me, "I feel younger just standing up." That's real strength, not gym strength, life strength. Now, here's a small tip that makes a big difference. Use your heels, not your toes. Pressing through your heels activates your glutes more. Toes activate your knees more. Heels protect your knees. Little adjustments like that matter. Let's talk about balance for a moment. Falls are one of the biggest risks as we age, and guess what muscles help prevent falls the most? Your glutes. They stabilize your hips and keep you steady. Stronger hips mean fewer wobbles. So every bridge and every sit to stand is also balance training. You're not just building muscle, you're building safety. Now, here's something gentle but honest. You might feel a little soreness at first. That's normal. It's just muscles waking up after a long nap. Nothing sharp or painful, just that "I used my muscles" feeling. Drink water, move gently, keep going. Within a week or two, you'll notice everyday things feel easier. That's your progress. Let's slow down and talk about form for a minute, because how you move matters more than how many you do. For bridges, keep your back neutral. Don't overarch. Just lift until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. For sit-to-stands, control the descent. Pretend the chair is fragile glass, gentle, quiet. Your muscles should do the work, not gravity. Now imagine this. It's 3 months from today. You walk upstairs without grabbing the railing. You stand up without thinking about it. Your back doesn't ache at the end of the day. That future isn't far away. It starts with a few simple reps today. That's the beauty of strength training. Small efforts, big results. Let's bring it all together. 2 exercises. Glute bridges on the floor, sit-to-stands from a chair. That's your whole routine. 10 to 15 reps each, 2 or 3 rounds, 5 to 10 minutes total. That's it. No equipment, no gym, no stress, just steady practice. So here's what we covered today. Your glutes are your foundation. When they're weak, everyday life gets harder. When they're strong, everything feels easier. The glute bridge wakes those muscles up and supports your back. The sit-to-stand builds real-life strength and independence. Do them regularly and you'll move better, feel steadier, and have more energy. Nothing extreme, just simple, smart movement. You deserve to feel strong in your body, not fragile, and it's never too late to start. I truly mean that. I've seen people begin at 60, 70, even 80 and still get stronger. Your body is always listening. Give it the right signals and it responds. If this felt helpful and you like learning simple ways to stay strong and healthy without complicated workouts, consider subscribing to the channel. I share easy, science-backed tips like this every week to help you stay active, independent, and confident at any age. Give the video a like if you're going to try these exercises today, and share it with a friend who might need a little encouragement too. Take care of yourself, move a little, and I'll see you in the next video.